the ultimate guide to gut health, foods, tips, and tricks. Gut health is fundamental to overall well-being, impacting everything from digestion to immune function and mental health. Maintaining a healthy gut involves a combination of consuming the right foods, understanding the importance of the gut microbiome, and incorporating beneficial lifestyle practices. This guide provides an in-depth look at how to optimize your gut health with practical tips and effective strategies. Understanding the gut microbiome. The gut microbiome consists of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, that inhabit the digestive tract. These microorganisms play crucial roles in digestion, breaking down food and absorbing nutrients; immune function, protecting against pathogens and regulating immune responses; mental health, influencing mood and cognitive function through the gut-brain axis. A balanced and diverse microbiome is essential for good health, while an imbalance can lead to issues like inflammation, digestive disorders, and even mental health problems. Top foods for gut health. 1. Fermented foods. Examples: yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh. Benefits: these foods are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can enhance gut health by promoting a healthy balance of gut microbiota. How to include: add yogurt or kefir to your breakfast, enjoy sauerkraut or kimchi with meals, or use miso in soups and dressings. 2. Prebiotic foods. Examples: garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, oats. Benefits: prebiotics are types of fiber that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. How to include: incorporate raw garlic and onions into salads and salsas, add bananas and oats to smoothies, and use asparagus in stir fries. 3. Fiber-rich foods. Examples: whole grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds. Benefits: dietary fiber supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding the good bacteria in the gut. How to include: opt for whole grain breads and cereals, add beans to soups and salads, snack on fruits and nuts, and include a variety of vegetables in meals. 4. Polyphenol-rich foods. Examples: berries, green tea, dark chocolate, red wine, olive oil. Benefits: polyphenols are plant compounds that have antioxidant properties and can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. How to include: snack on berries, enjoy a cup of green tea, use olive oil in cooking, and savor dark chocolate in moderation. 5. Bone broth. Benefits: bone broth contains gelatin and amino acids like glutamine, which can help repair the gut lining and improve digestion. How to include: drink bone broth as a warm beverage, use it as a base for soups and stews, or add it to grains for extra flavor and nutrients. Tips and tricks for gut health. 1. Stay hydrated. Why it matters: adequate hydration is crucial for maintaining the mucosal lining of the intestines and supporting the balance of good bacteria. How to implement: aim to drink at least 8 cups of water daily, and include hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon in your diet. 2. Eat mindfully. Why it matters: eating slowly and chewing thoroughly aids digestion and allows your body to properly absorb nutrients. How to implement: practice mindful eating by eliminating distractions, savoring each bite, and paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. 3. Manage stress. Why it matters: chronic stress can negatively impact the gut by altering gut microbiota and increasing inflammation. How to implement: incorporate stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and regular physical activity into your routine. 4. Get enough sleep. Why it matters: poor sleep can disrupt the gut microbiome and increase stress levels, affecting overall health. How to implement: aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and creating a restful sleep environment. 5. Limit antibiotic use. Why it matters: Antibiotics can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, leading to dysbiosis. How to implement: use antibiotics only when prescribed by a healthcare provider, and consider taking probiotics during and after antibiotic treatment to replenish gut bacteria. 6. Avoid artificial sweeteners. Why it matters: some artificial sweeteners can negatively affect gut bacteria and contribute to gut dysbiosis. How to implement: opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation, and reduce overall consumption of sweetened foods and beverages. Summary: optimizing gut health is a multifaceted approach that involves dietary choices, lifestyle modifications, and mindfulness. By incorporating these foods, tips, and tricks into your daily routine, you can promote a healthy gut microbiome, improve digestion, and enhance your overall health and well-being. Remember that everyone's gut is unique, so it may take some time to find the best combination of strategies that work for you. Click the link below for more health tips. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more all-natural health videos.